Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at numbers, understanding them, and different ways to think about numbers that's going to help us later when we're doing our additions for large numbers. So we're going to look at expanded form and a visual representation of that expanded form. So when we look at ones, we typically think in dots. You know, if I have 5, I have 5 dots. 3, I have three ones. 7, I have 7 ones. And then when we move to larger numbers, like let's say tens, we can think of it as 10 ones, but we can also think of it as a single 10 unit. So for 30 here, we can say, okay, 30 is 30 dots, but it's also 3 tens. There's 3 units of 10. And so here for 50, we're going to say, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 units, like that. And for hundreds, instead of 100 dots, we can think of it as 10 of these tens put together as one 100 unit. And so here, 400, we can think of it as 4 100 units, like that. So what's an expanded form? Expanded form of 346 is writing it out as 3 100s, 4 10s, and 6 ones. And so the visual representation here is this, exactly that, 3 100s, 4 10s, and 6 ones. So I'll do the next example here, 571. So this is 500. First digit here is for the hundreds, plus 70. The 7 digit is used for the tens, plus 1, like that. So that's our expanded form of 571. And the visual representation would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1 1. Excellent. It's that easy. So go ahead and try it out for yourself for questions A and B. Expand the following numbers and draw a visual representation of each number. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So 462, we have 400 plus 60 plus 2. So we have 4 100s, 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 ones, like that. That's it. That easy. So 817, we got 800 plus 10 plus 7, like that. And a visual representation. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 110, and 7 ones, like that. Excellent. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So a couple more practices. Go ahead. 554 and 396. Same question. Expand the numbers and draw a visual representation. So go ahead, pause the video. Okay, we're back. So 554, 500 plus 50 plus 4, like that. And so we have 5 100s, 5 10s, and 4 ones, like that. 396, 300, 96. So 3 100s, 1, 2, 3. 9 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. That easy. Okay, so for the thousands, we have the 100 in the front, and we go ahead and have 10 of those sheets. So they're just stacked behind each other, 10 of them making 1,000. So each cube here is going to represent 1,000. So 3,000 is made up of 3 cubes, 3 1,000 cubes. So same question here, 31, 39. So this is 3,000, 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. And so we do a nice visual representation. of, there's 1, 2, 3,000, 100, 30, 9 ones. So we got 3 1,000s, 1 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. Okay, so for practice number 2, write out the expanded form for each number. So here we don't need a visual representation. We're just going to write out the expanded form for each one of these. Go ahead, pause the video, and solve that. Okay, we're back. So 6792. So we got 6,790 and 2. 8,300, no tens, and 2. 9,660. 5,100, 110, and 1 4,000, 38. We have 1,002, like that. So just reusing the terminology we said later, the digit 5 stands for 5,000. The digit 9 stands for 900. The digit 2 is for 20. And the digit 6 is for 6, like that. When it's all of these digits together, we call that a number. But if we're looking at just a specific number within the number, we call that a digit. So 5926 are the 4 digits of this single number, 5926. Okay, practice number 3. Here we have expanded forms, and we'd like for you to write out the sum of this expanded form. So I'll do the first one here. So we have 8,000, no hundreds, 40, and 1, like that. So go ahead and do that. I'll pause the video. Okay, we're back. So we have 6,583, 4,600, no tens and 2, 9,759, 5,001, 403. That easy. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.